Okay, now we are going to continue with converse property. Okay, in this converse property, it states that if A greater than B, then B less than A. Okay, as you can see here that the position of this letter is changing, and the symbol here from pointing to the right, it go to the left. Okay, the arrow here is pointing to the opposite side. Okay, in this converse property, just changing position and symbol here changing to the opposite side. Okay, let's take a look example A here. If 0 greater than -5, then okay, then what you can do here is okay, change to the opposite. Okay, wait. Before that, changing to the position of this value, which is -5, will be at the left side, and the position of the symbol here will become to the opposite side, which is pointing to the left, and 0. Okay, just this one, changing position and changing to the opposite side for this symbol. Okay, and if you look at example B here, if 4 is less than 7, then okay, then here change position value, which is I will write number 7 first, then symbol here will change to from left here will change to the right side, and number 4. So 7 greater than 4. Okay, now we are going to continue with transitive property. Okay, in transitive property, it states that A is less than B is less than C. Then A less than C. Okay, as you can see here, it only take letter A and it only take letter C. Okay, which is first value and last value. Okay, in transitive property, just take first and last value, and the symbol is going to the left. Okay, look example here. If 2 less than 4 less than 8. Okay, you just only take value at the first one and value at the last one, which is 2 and 4. Now what you can write in the box here is okay, what can I write here is 2 is less than 8. Okay, that's all for transitive property, just this one. Okay, now look at second example, example B. If -5 less than 0.2 less than 3/2. Okay, again this one you have negative value, decimal value, and fraction value. Okay, just ignore that one. You just see the first and third value only. Okay, now what can I write here is okay, I will not use this box because I need a lot space. Okay, I will use at the bottom here. I will write -5 is less than 3/2. So you will get -5 is less than 3/2. First number and last number. Okay, now we will continue with additive inverse property. Okay, in additive inverse property, it states that if A bigger or greater than B, then negative A less than negative B. Okay, as you can see here, first it add this one, which is negative symbol both side. Okay, add negative symbol both side, and the arrow here from pointing to the right, it changing to pointing to the left. Okay, now let's take a look example here. If 6 is greater than 4, then then here you put negative both side, and the symbol will pointing to the opposite side, which is this one is pointing to the right, then this one is pointing to the left, and put again negative here. So you will get negative 6 less than negative 4. Okay, that is answer for question A. Now look here. If second example, if negative 2 greater than negative 7, then now for this question I will show you this one. Okay, you get negative 2 greater than negative 7, right? So what you need to do here is you need to put negative for both sides. Okay, and the arrow will changing position to the left. Okay, now negative here. Okay, wait. Negative here meet negative. It will become negative meet negative. It will become positive. Positive what? Positive 2. Negative meet negative will become positive. Positive 7. Okay. So positive here no need to write. Just directly put 2 less than 7. Okay. So this is your final answer. 2 less than 7. Now what can I write here is 2 less than 7. Okay. Now for last question here, C. If 5 greater than negative 2, then again I will show you this one. Okay, just now 5 greater than negative 2. Okay, again you put before that I rewrite this one, the value first, then I will put negative both side, and the symbol will changing position. Okay, negative 5. Okay, negative 5 will remain same, negative 5. Negative mean negative will become positive 2. So arrow pointing to the left. Your final answer, you will get this one, which is negative 5 less than 2. So what I can write here is negative 5 less than 2. Okay. Okay. Now last property, multiplicative inverse property. In this property it states that if A less than B, then 1 over A greater than 1 over B. Okay, as you can see here, it just put a fraction which is 1 over with first value, then 1 over with second value. And you can see here the arrow from pointing to the left side, it changing to pointing to the right side. Okay, let's take a look. First example, if 4 less than 8, then then what I can do here is I put fraction which is 1 over 4. Okay, this one arrow pointing to the left. Now I will do pointing to the right. 1 over 8. So I will get 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 8. Okay. And last one. If 3 over 4 greater than 5 over 8, then this one I need more space here. So I will do like this. 3 over 4 greater than 5 over 8. Okay. You can see this one. Okay. This one is one part. And this one also is in a one part. Okay, what can I do here is, I will show you here. What can I do? First, I put fraction 1 over 1 part here. 3 over 4. Okay, 1 over with 1 part left side. Okay, arrow pointing to the right will become pointing to the left. Okay, will become pointing to the left. Then again 1 over second part here, whole part, 5 over 8. So you will get something like this. 1 over whole part here and 1 over whole part. Arrow from pointing to the right will become pointing to the left. Now, this one is not your final answer. Your final answer will get like this. Okay. Your final answer will get like this. 4 over 3 less than 8 over 5. Okay. Now what you can write here is 4 over 3 is less than 8 over 5. Okay, that's all for this part which is involving property. Let's continue with other part.